Now, the next and the last layer of OSI model is layer 1 or physical layer. This is the physical media through which the data represented as electronic signals is sent from the source host to the destination host. Data travels in this layer in form of bits. PDU for this layer is bits. Example of layer 1 technology includes Ethernet cables. Additionally, hubs. Other repeaters are standard network devices that function at physical layer, as are cable connectors. Other examples is Cat5, that is a category of twisted pair cables, coaxial cables, fiber optics cables. We already discussed about these cables. In any transmission, source device sends data to receiver device. In between there are many other devices are there. But as OSI layer 7 to layer 4 are only exist on sender device and receiver devices, not in between devices. So these layers are called as host layers of OSI. Other 3 layers 1, 2 and 3 are exist on all devices. They are actual sender or receiver, or maybe they are intermediate devices. These called as media layers. For example, here one sender PC and one receiver PC are there, and in between two intermediate nodes are there as picture shows. Sender and receiver computers goes through all 7 layers and intermediate nodes goes through only layer 1, layer 2 and layer 3. Now we are discuss about encapsulation. When user connect via application layer, user sends a data, and this data is goes through layer by layer as OSI layer says. But each layer add a header to the data and send that to the next layer. Like layer 6 adds H6 header, layer 5 adds H5 header, and so on. On layer 2, H2 is added and one terminator is also added, that is T2, that shows data terminated here. Then data sends via any transmission medium, as picture shows. This is the transmission medium. Then data sends via any transmission medium to the next end or the receiver. This whole process of adding headers is called encapsulation. Now the encapsulation data or encapsulated data reaches to end receiver. Then these headers are separated from layer to layer, and this process is reversed to encapsulation process, and this is called decapsulation. After decapsulation, the original data received by the receiver. Why this headers is added? Because by this headers the receiver device can understand which data is belongs to which layer. This is the whole process of encapsulation and decapsulation.